Was around the park. I had a call from Kano. He said he needs Marvin Rims, ayy. Nigga, my ghost is holo. Nigga, my goat, you know it. Nigga, my go get a brush on me, no me shit type of you can understand it. I have some friends, the family, they ride with me no more way, ayy. And I know who was snitches. You can die if you never cross me. And DI, location, don't ask where I'm from, ayy. Drip, jam my shoes on, ice, my neck freezing. Don't ask me what, shining dude, that's my gay shit. I know you don't look good when you heat, then it Melvin, ayy. The way I'm putting on, you can blame me, dog. I put on so much work, it's my outfit. Before I sleep, I pray to God bless me. I'm more about the revenue, short guy. I'm not a fat boy, yeah, you need a rehab. Came from far, I don't wanna risk that. Now I'm getting there, I did a research. Melvin Rims, ayy, tell your fan to say it. Who are you? We don't know you. This is B-Town, bitch, no school. Yeah, I'm a trap nigga. Skr, yeah, rap nicks. Real deal, real bottom investing. Tryna make my life cuckoo. I go hide me that train. I will say my leg good news. ASO nigga voodoo. ASO raising gang. Ay, you been there for me, now my stay. God bless you. Come around and get popped up. Brag around and get fucked up. I see you head in my camera, but what can you do when my song is the hashtag? Next song I'm on the line up. Always on list, so shut up. When you hear Zako, I'm that guy. Thanks, Cadon, for the good time. Boom.